Start. The similar view has been taken by the another division bench in Rajendra Singh versus State of UP and others. Stop. In the said case, also the disciplinary proceeding was dispensed with without any plausible reason. Stop. The only reason mentioned in the order was that the departmental inquiry shall consume sufficient time, and on the said ground the Rule 8 was invoked. Stop. This court set aside the order of the disciplinary authority and held as under stop para. Here in the present case, the disciplinary authority had recorded its satisfaction, but it is well settled that satisfaction has to be based on germane grounds and not of the disciplinary authority. So, here the only ground to dispense with the inquiry is that if the writ petitioner is allowed to continue in service, a departmental inquiry shall consume sufficient time and therefore such continuance will have bearing on the moral of the other police personnel. So, we are of the opinion that the ground recorded by the disciplinary authority while dispensing with the inquiry is not germane, nor is it on any material that may be relevant. As such, the ground set forth cannot justify dispensing the inquiry at all. Stop. The apex court in the case of Union of India and another versus so and so had the occasion to consider the scope of the aforesaid provision, and the apex court laid down the test of reasonableness in the said case to be reflected by the authority while proposing to dispense with an inquiry. Stop. Paragraph 130 of the said decision is reproduced below. Stop para. Thus, whether it was practicable to hold the inquiry or not must be judged in the context of whether it was reasonably practicable to do so. Stop. It is not a total or absolute impracticability which is required by clause B. Stop. What is requisite is that the holding of the inquiry is not practicable in the opinion of a reasonable man taking a reasonable view of the prevailing situation. Stop. It is not possible to enumerate the cases in which it would not be reasonably practicable to hold the inquiry, but some instances by way of illustration may however be given. Stop. It would not be reasonably practicable to hold an inquiry where the government servant, particularly through or together with his associates, so terrorists, threatens or intimidate witnesses who are going to give evidence against him with fear of reprisal as to prevent them from doing so, or where the government servant by himself or together with or through other threatens, intimidates and terrorizes the officer who is the disciplinary authority or member of his family, so that he is afraid to hold the inquiry or direct it to be held. Stop. Next, it would also not be reasonably practicable to hold the inquiry where an atmosphere of violence or the general indiscipline and insubordination prevails, and it is immaterial whether the concerned government servant is or is not a party to bringing about such an atmosphere. Stop.